Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect crepes with a special twist, sourdough starter. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our delicious recipes. Now that you've learned how to make a sourdough starter with my video, here is the recipe for sourdough French crepes for an incomparable taste. Here are the ingredients you will need. 250 grams of flour, 4 eggs, 500 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of melted butter, 50 grams of sourdough starter, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, optionally, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, also optional. To begin, sift the flour into a large bowl to avoid lumps. In another bowl, lightly beat the eggs. Make a well in the center of the sifted flour, pour in the beaten eggs, add the salt and sugar if you wish, then add 50 grams of sourdough starter. Gradually pour in the milk while mixing with a whisk until you get a smooth and homogeneous batter. Add the melted butter and mix well. If you're using vanilla extract, now is the time to add it. Let the batter rest for 2 hours or overnight. This rest allows you to obtain soft and tasty crepes. Heat a crepe pan or non-stick skillet over medium heat and grease it lightly with butter or oil. Pour a small ladle of batter and spread it evenly. Cook each crepe for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Serve the hot crepes with the toppings of your choice: sugar, jam, chocolate, fruit, etc. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what recipe you would like to see next time. See you soon for new delicious recipes.